Hello everyone, welcome to part 37 of Dr. Wayne Dyer's 101 Ways to Transform Your Life. Part 37. Here today we are talking about how nothing is impossible, okay? What has happened has led us to this moment, and what we can do is not limited. We should let go of what we think we can do, what is possible, and really accept that anything is truly possible. Now, I've done a video, I believe, on this topic already, either in this series or another series, but it gets into the idea of how when we view things as being possible or impossible, it makes a massive difference in what actually we can do that's possible and impossible. So, there's this idea of the Wright brothers. I always go to this example because I think it's pretty easy. Going back to 1903, not a lot of people believed that people were going to be able to fly. There was the whole idea of, if we were going to fly, why didn't God give us wings? So a lot of people didn't believe that flight was possible. Yet people went on this, the edge of what they thought was possible and said, flying should be possible. If the birds can do it, why can't we have our scientific principles that will allow us to do it? And sure enough, Bernoulli's principle about pressure there allows us to fly in planes and such. Later, things like rockets, there's another way to move into motion, all that kind of stuff. And so flying became possible because some people were willing to see it as possible. When people think something's impossible, even if it is possible, they make it impossible is the basic idea. So if you believe that flying is impossible, back in the early, the very late 1800s, early 1900s there, if people believe that flying is impossible, then they're not going to be the ones who could actually make that happen, who could actually fly, because flying was possible. But as long as you believe it's impossible, it is impossible. And that's really what he's saying here about almost everything. If we believe we can't be a great writer, we can't be great at making videos, we can't be great at trading, we can't be great at running, we can't be great at anything. As soon as we believe we can't be good at them, we can't. Okay? So we might as well open ourselves up to all the possibilities, be open to them, not attached to them, but open to them, and really say, nothing is impossible. We can do this. That's basically it for part 37. I will see you guys next time with part 38. So stay tuned, and I'll see you then.